Throughout history, countless inventions have shaped the world as we know it. But not every great idea made it into our future. Some were lost, forgotten, or deliberately suppressed, leaving us to wonder, what if humanity had held on to these discoveries? Today we'll uncover the forgotten inventions that changed the world. 1. Tesla's wireless power. We begin with the genius of Nikola Tesla. In the early 1900s, Tesla dreamed of a world where electricity flowed through the air, freely available to everyone. No wires, no plugs. At Wardenclyffe Tower, he built a massive transmitter designed to send power across long distances. Imagine charging your phone, lighting your home, or powering a city, all without cables. But Tesla's dream clashed with business. JP Morgan, his financier, pulled funding when he realized free energy couldn't be sold for profit. The tower was dismantled, and Tesla's vision faded into obscurity. Today, over a century later, we're only just beginning to catch up, experimenting with wireless charging pads and beaming solar energy from space. Tesla was far ahead of his time, but the world wasn't ready. 2. Hero's steam engine travel back almost 2000 years to ancient Alexandria. There, an inventor named Hero built a curious device, a hollow sphere mounted on an axis with pipes that vented steam. When heated, the sphere spun, a simple steam engine. It proved that steam could be harnessed to create motion, the very principle that powered the Industrial Revolution 1,500 years later. But in Hero's time, it was seen only as a novelty, not a tool for industry. If ancient Rome had recognized its potential, humanity might have entered the machine age centuries earlier. Instead, the design was forgotten until steam engines reappeared in the 18th century. 3. The Baghdad Battery. In 1938, archaeologists near Baghdad uncovered a set of strange clay jars, each containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod. Some researchers believe these were primitive batteries, capable of producing a small electric charge. But here's the mystery. They date back nearly 2000 years. Were they used for electroplating jewelry? For medicinal purposes? Or were they just ordinary storage vessels mistaken for something more? We may never know the full truth. But if the Baghdad battery really was an early source of electricity, it would rewrite our understanding of ancient science. 4. Damascus steel. In the Middle Ages, warriors in the Middle East wielded swords made of a mysterious material known as Damascus steel. These blades were legendary, razor-sharp, nearly unbreakable, and said to cut through stone or even other swords. The secret lay in their unique microstructure, created by forging steel with trace elements in a process lost to time. By the 18th century, the technique disappeared. Modern metallurgists have tried to recreate it, coming close, but never perfectly. Damascus steel reminds us that sometimes ancient craftsmanship rivals modern technology, and that progress isn't always a straight line. 5. Incanquipufa from the forges of Damascus. The Inca civilization developed a remarkable way of recording information without writing. They used the quipu, a system of knotted strings. Each knot, each thread color, carried meaning, representing numbers, trade records, or even stories. For centuries, this technology kept their vast empire organized. But when the Spanish conquistadors arrived, much of the knowledge was destroyed. To this day, scholars are still decoding the quipu. Was it simply accounting, or could it have been a true written language? The answer may be hidden in knots that have remained silent for hundreds of years. 6. Greek fire. Finally, one of history's most terrifying lost inventions, Greek fire. In the 7th century, the Byzantine Empire used a secret weapon in naval battles, a liquid that burned fiercely, even on water. Ships ignited instantly, and enemies fled in terror. The formula was guarded more closely than gold, passed only to a few trusted engineers, and then it vanished. Modern scientists have tried to recreate Greek fire, suggesting it may have been a mix of petroleum, sulfur, and quicklime. But the exact recipe is still a mystery. A weapon so powerful that it could change the tide of empires, now reduced to legend. These inventions, Tesla's wireless power, Hero's steam engine, the Baghdad battery, Damascus steel, the Incan Kipu, and Greek fire, show us something extraordinary. Humanity has often stumbled upon the future, only to let it slip away. What knowledge have we lost? What discoveries lie forgotten, buried in ruins, or dismissed as myths? And how different would our world be if we had remembered?